Today we're grilling shrimp. Today we're grilling shrimp on our Traeger ironwood. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. All right, welcome in, welcome back. All right, here's our ingredients. We got garlic, butter. We got that seafood magic, salt, pepper. And look at them snow crab legs. We got snow crab legs that was on sale, $7.99 a pound. They normally run $19. Guys, we grabbed those suckers and we got some more too. And our freezer's looking right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go outside and set our Traeger to 350. Now guys, this is a weekday cook. You know, this is quick, fast, hurry. I'm talking 35, 40 minutes tops. Easy guys, so easy. All right, so let's go ahead and head back inside and pay some attention to our snow crab legs. Now real quick guys, you gotta pay attention to your crab legs. Because if you go ahead and you take a good look, there's like barnacles or shells or something that's usually sitting on your crab legs. So like this one, you see that? Just try and scrape it off. I'm using a pair of shears. And that usually works, but because I'm making a video, it's not cooperating with me. So look at that, I'm just using my nail, it came right off. So go through, as you wash them off, go ahead and go through and make sure they're clean. Here's one more. See that? You don't want to bite on that. Nah, let's get rid of that. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut the tips of the snow crab legs off. Because we're going to be using aluminum foil packs to steam these off on the grill. Because we're doing this all outside. And I'm, you know, getting hot out now. So everything outside. So once those are off, we got aluminum foil. Now I doubled it up. So we got up and down, 2 pieces. And left and right, we got 2 pieces. So we're going to go ahead and make a little boat or a little pouch. And this is where we're going to put our butter. Just a couple of tablespoons. Use your judgment how much butter you want to use. We're using unsalted butter. I always use unsalted butter. And now we got this seafood magic. Let's go ahead and sprinkle that everywhere. Yeah, you can use Old Bay, whatever you want. And go in with some water. There's no measurement for this. Just, you know, we'll be steaming this off. And then in with some garlic. Guys, I usually chop my own garlic. I was being a little lazy today. All right, so now we're gonna close this up, and when I finish off the rest, we're gonna go ahead and head outside to the Traeger and get these on. That should be nice and warm by now. It's probably about 15 minutes, 20 minutes gone by now. All right, so we're out at the Traeger. Guys, we're just gonna put these on. Easy schmeezy. Guys, the best thing about this Traeger, you really can just come home, fire it up, and get cooking. And inside the house stays nice and cool. You know, heat the house up. All right, so now on to our shrimp. Make sure these are really dry. Dry them off really good. Because we got a little secret step here. I don't know if you guys ever done this, but I've done this quite a few times now, and it comes out good. So we're going down with some mayonnaise. Yep. You know, mayonnaise is the fat. And we're just gonna put that on the shrimp. The mayonnaise does something special to the shrimp, better than olive oil. But we're gonna go in with the magic seafood seasoning. Now guys, you can do whatever you want here. You can use Cajun seasoning. You can go in with some Old Bay, and eventually I'm gonna probably grab Old Bay. But give this a little spin, a stir, and get that all incorporated. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grab the Old Bay. Just gotta put a little bit, not too much, because I want that seafood magic to be the most forward flavor. Just a tad bit, not too much. And that's enough. All right, we're gonna give that a spin. Now guys, we're gonna taste and as we go along and make sure everything is good, but we're gonna let this sit for a few minutes. Now this little mixture of mayonnaise, this will be good. You put some of that mayonnaise and put it on some bread. Yeah. And toast it up in a pan. That'd be great. All right, so now our shrimp is nice and dry. So we let that sit like 10 minutes and let the mayonnaise mixture come together, and our shrimp is nice and dry. Guys, now we're just gonna paint this on. And these are gonna go down on the grill. Now guys, if you ever use mayonnaise like on bread to toast bread up, that's good. So why not do it with your shrimp? You know, olive oil sometimes can be a little too oily. And let me tell you, that mayonnaise does something special on the grill with the shrimp and the seasoning. So good. All right, so we're ready to put these shrimp on. And we raised the grill up to 450 degrees so we can grill. So down we go with our shrimp. And that's it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and wait like about 3 minutes, 4 minutes or so. All right, so it's time for us to flip our shrimp. So we did 3 minutes on one side. Probably do 3 minutes on this side, and then I usually flip it one more time. You guys, look at our stick. Look at it. The sticks are burning and everything. You can grill with a Traeger, with a pellet grill. So, guys, this is an easy dinner. This is so quick and it's so good and delicious. You know, you could do this with some, you know, boxed yellow rice. You know, some red rice if you have some left over from the weekend. All right, so 3 more minutes have went by. And this is what we got. You know, guys, if you're a seafood lover, this is a perfect weeknight meal. It's light, it's easy, it's quick, it's fast. So guys, if you possibly could, give us a like, give us a subscribe. It helps us out a lot and it doesn't cost you very much at all. And you know, the best thing about the Traeger is the evenness of the cook and the reliability of the temperature. It's just great. All right, so we're back inside. We're headed for the home run here. So let's just take a quick look at our snow crab legs. Be careful because that steam will get you. All right, there's our snow crab legs. We got garlic, butter, the magic seasoning. Delicious, guys. This is great. And for presentation, you can give everybody their own foil pouch. That would be good. But we're just going to go ahead and plate these up. Now, we had some red rice left over and some collard greens from the weekend. You know, perfect pairing. Some shrimp, some snow crab legs, red rice, and collard greens. Guys, this is a great dinner. Just came out good. Try the mayonnaise trick. Gotta have a little butter for the snow crab legs. And here's our flyover. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Guys, this is so good, so easy. If they got snow crabs on sale by you, make sure you pick them up. And this is dinner on a weeknight. Yeah. Every day cooking, dad cooking every single day. Check out a couple of these other videos and let's get cooking.